This is by far the easiest method for beginners to start making money with AI today. This method requires no experience and you can use it to earn tens of thousands of dollars online just by clicking buttons. What's up, everyone? My name is James Jernigan, and that's exactly what I want to show you today. How I've earned thousands of dollars online just by clicking buttons and sharing links on social media. So, if you want to see more content like this, be sure to click the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. So, I've got the exact steps that you can follow right here to start making money with AI today as a beginner. Even if you're somebody with no experience and you barely even know how computers work, if you can click buttons, which I'm assuming you can because you found this video, this is perfect for you. So before we go any further, comment AI money if you're ready for AI to replace your job but not your paycheck. Like I said, that's what I want to show you, how you can use AI to generate tens of thousands of dollars in profit for yourself just by clicking buttons. So here are the steps. And by the way, if you want to stay up to date on this method, be sure to join our school community, Make Money with AI. But now that that's out of the way, here is step one. Step one is to find a profitable AI offer to promote. And the easiest way to do that is heading to copythelist.com. If you head to copythelist.com, all you have to do is click one of these green buttons right here, and you can make a copy of this list of the most profitable AI affiliate offers to promote. You know what they say back in the gold rush, the people who made the most money were the people selling the tools. So rather than doing something complicated and convoluted and having to learn how to use all of these AI tools, why don't you just sell them to other people who can use them to make money online? So to get started, all you have to do is head to copythelist.com, click one of these buttons to make a copy of the spreadsheet, and then you can make money online sharing these links. So that's the first step. What's step two? Step two is to set up an AI sales system. So this is where the little bit of AI that you'll need to use comes in, and you can do this using a tool from funnelsforever.com. So here's how this works. Like I said, we're going to be promoting these different links from this checklist here, and we'll do that using a system like this. So what we need to create is a basic opt-in page. I'm sure you've seen one of these before. This is a page that has a little box where somebody can enter their email in, and then once they do that, they're going to get an automated series of emails. Now what's cool is we can actually create these emails using AI. ChatGPT can write these emails faster than we can copy and paste them, so it only takes a few seconds to generate. And what we're doing is using social media to send traffic into the system. You can do this with Facebook or Instagram or YouTube or TikTok, or you can even just run ads if you have the money to do that. But anyways, we send the traffic in to this opt-in page. Then we start a sequence of AI generated emails that sell our products. So this is super easy to do. Like I said, all you have to do is head to funnelsforever.com and grab this tool. You can get started with it for free. And then what you're going to want to do is set up a landing page. So if I click this new site button, what I want to show you here about this tool at funnelsforever.com is they actually have pre-made templates that are ready to go. So just by clicking a button, you can import one of these templates and already have an attractive landing page that's designed and looks nice right from the get-go. So all you have to do is come in here, pick one of these pages that you like, and then take a few minutes to edit the text. So this one says podcast that makes you smarter. So you could just change podcast to whatever it is that you do, and the same with any of these templates. So that's the first part, right? That is this. These are available with pre-made templates. So that's going to take you about 5 minutes to set up. Then we need to generate AI emails. So like I said, ChatGPT can write these emails, but how do we actually send them out? It's simple. We'll just use the sequences feature of the tool at Funnels Forever, and we can actually build a sequence. So here you'll see a trigger for the sequence, and that is the form. So if we look at our diagram here, like I said, once somebody puts their email into this box, otherwise known as a form, that's what triggers this AI email sequence. So then all we have to do is create a series of time delays. So here's a time delay for 1 hour. So I just click this button to create a time delay, and then we want to send an email. So I'll just click the button that says send email, and I can actually just copy and paste content directly from ChatGPT into this email sequence. And if you see, we can actually stretch this email sequence out as far as we want. This can go on for days or weeks or months, and there's no limit to the amount of the products from this checklist that we can sell using this method, because again, AI is generating this content. It takes a couple seconds per email. So realistically, to create a whole month's worth of these AI emails is going to take us less than an hour. So by doing that, what we've done is actually 30x the chance of making a sale, because instead of somebody seeing one of these offers one time, if we go and share it on social media, instead what's happening is they're getting fed into this AI sequence, which is going to then go sell products on autopilot. So obviously, the more clicks you get on these offers, the more sales you're going to make and the more money you're going to earn. But ultimately, that's how you can start making money online with AI today, just by clicking buttons. So like I said, if you want to see more of this content in the future, be sure to click the red subscribe button down below, and then you'll be able to see the future videos I put out. So the last thing I want to show you here is how to automate 30 days of content in 15 minutes. If this all seems a little complicated for you and you just want me to do it for you, then head to videonuke.com, and for $1 I will automate your first 30 days of video content in about 15 minutes. So there's a video there that explains how it works. It's at videonuke.com. Like I said, for $1 I will automate 30 days of video content for you in about 15 minutes. So other than that, like I said, be sure to click the red subscribe button down below if you want to see more content like this in the future. I make videos almost every day about how to make money online with AI by clicking buttons, and I can't wait to see you in the next AI money making video.